Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about personal finance. Today I'm going to talk about how to set up a family budget. Before I get into the video, be sure to subscribe and leave your comments below saying I subscribe. I will try to personally reply to your comments. Let's get into the video. First thing I want to do is describe what is a budget. So a budget is a finance plan used to monitor and manage your spending. It helps you to balance your income against expected spending, including things like paying fixed costs such as rent, discretionary spending on things like entertainment, traveling, shopping, and saving. Start living on a budget that works for you and your family. Make healthy financial choices to eliminate debt, decrease cost, save money, and stretch a paycheck without constantly crunching numbers. Quickly evaluate your financial situation and start saving with these easy tips to set up a family budget today. First thing to do, obviously, is to create a budget. The first step to living on a budget is to track your family's income and expenses. Gather all of your bills, paychecks, stubs, bank statements, everything you have that shows money coming in or going out. Write a frugal budget to manage your money. When you mining it every month without a budget in mind, you are passing up opportunities to slash unnecessary costs and save money. A few minutes spent creating a budget now can save you big money later. Another thing you want to do is set financial goals. Saving money seems like a long-term goal that is always out of reach when you are struggling from month to month just to pay the bills. Whether you want to save money for your child's college fund or would like to tuck money away for your retirement, setting financial goals is an important step in protecting your family's future. Do not neglect your short term goals either. Your financial goals can include quick reductions on utility bills, cable bills, and other expenses that are keeping you from saving more money each month. Another thing you want to do is get out of debt. While being in debt can feel overwhelming, managing your debt is easy when you set realistic goals. A debt management plan can be built into your budget so you can pay off your credit cards and mortgage and eliminate your overall debt. You might not be able to pay off all of your debt today, but you can create a realistic plan to work towards paying it off. Your budget will show you where your money is being squandered with high interest charges and unnecessary expenses, so you can then identify where your money truly needs to go. Also, lower your taxes. Stop dreading the spring tax deadline every year. Simple tweaks can reduce your taxes and add money to your family's bottom line. choosing the right filing status, studying current tax rules on claiming dependents, claiming the child tax credit, and taking advantage of child care and dependent care expenses are a few of tax rules you should be aware of every year when it's time to file. You will have a little more time for all this in 2021 because the IRS has pushed back the annual filing deadline to May 17th in response to the coronavirus pandemic. The child's tax credit and the child dependent care tax credit have been beefed up for the 2021 tax year. The return you will file in 2022, so you definitely would not want to overlook claiming this if you qualify. People overspend on taxes every year. Make sure you are not being overly generous to Uncle Sam. Plan for financial emergencies. The stress of a financial crisis can put a strain on the wealthiest family. Establishing an emergency fund helps you build up savings for unexpected expenses. Life insurance and a last will and testament can also shield your family from financial hardship if someone should happen to you or your spouse. The benefit and peace of mind of having them in place often outweighs the cost. On the other hand, control spending on food. Cut the cost of feeding your family with a well-planned food budget. Save money on groceries with a ready-made shopping list of your family's favorite recipes. You will always know what you need and can spot a sale on your staples. This keeps your kitchen pantry stocked without having to pay full price. Think outside the grocery store to find even more savings. Kids eat free meals at restaurants are also budget friendly options that give you a break from the kitchen without draining your bank account. Next thing you can do is budget for travel. Many families think a vacation is an automatic budget buster. Stretching your travel dollars can make your dream trip a reality. Though, with a few extra steps, you can save money on your vacation to make a getaway a part of your budget. If you discover that your budget just would not allow your family to travel, plan a staycation that keeps everyone close to home but still has room for a day trips and fun activities to fit any budget. Therefore, having a family budget is very important because a budget allows you to create a spending plan for your money. It ensures that you will always have enough money for the things you need and the things that are important to you. Following a budget or spending plan will also keep you out of debt or help you work your way out of debt if you are currently in debt. Thanks for watching this video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.